Today we're working on the 2015 Chrysler 200C again. Today we're swapping out this window glass. We're going to swap out this glass panel. I'll walk you through that right now. Okay, we're going to start by pulling this little plastic panel out. Okay, got one bolt behind there, that's a 10 mil. Another place I'm going to try and get at is down here. This is a little rubber base. I expect to find another bolt down here, and I do. With both of those bolts out, I was able to pull this door panel straight off. Okay, there's clips around the whole perimeter. This is what you're looking at now, down behind this door. You got a couple clips still left to release, but I'm gonna get this electrical plug unplugged, like so. Here, these two cables go to the door handle and the door lock. Actually, the way that just came unclipped, I can just let this stay there. That's your whole door handle and lock assembly. Here's what the door looks like with the door panel removed. There were two electrical plugs to disconnect. This is the one I showed you before on the video, and this one plugs into the window and lock switch underneath. They're both pretty self-explanatory as far as getting them off. So what I'm looking at now is I'm going to try and lower this window electrically, try and figure out how to get to the bolts. I think these two yellow access panels are going to be how I'm going to unbolt that window from the window track. So wish me luck. So I got the window partially down, and it turns out that these holes do allow you access to the two bolts that hold that window in. So I'm going to remove those two bolts, and I'm going to try and pull the window up out through the top, through this slot. See how that goes. Hopefully that's the right way to do it. Okay, so with those two bolts removed, I'm able to pull this glass up independent of the window mechanism. Okay. So I tilted it forward slightly, and I'm pulling it up. You see, if you do that, it's going to clear the top of the door and the bottom of the door. Okay? Just take your time. Try to do this one-handed and stuff, but we're getting there. Okay, and I got it out, and apparently the detail that would make it better to do is to pull this piece of trim off here. Okay, set that to the side. That was kind of in the way. Here's what the new piece of glass looks like. We're able to get it used from a junkyard, and I'm going to insert it the same way I took out the old one, just in reverse, which means I'm going to tip it forward like this, get it in, and slide it down until I can see these threaded holes down here, and reinstall the bolts, and then we'll be good to go. So from that point, you can reassemble the interior of that door. Just reverse the process that we did to get it open, and you've just replaced your window glass. The process should be the same, at least on the front doors, and it should definitely be similar on the rear doors. Thank you for watching. Good luck.